This is the elevator at the East Campus Union at Duke University in Durham, North Carolina. It's a Dover Oildraulic impulse. It's a very busy elevator being used by the kitchen staff. Got a very fast door, but closes very slowly. The outside length is warm, like the inside doesn't turn until after it's over. It's a bit worn out, has a bit of a confusing layout. Basement floor and rear. Rear is the kitchen, the front's the public floor, straight out. This elevator is being used a whole lot of times by the kitchen staff. Your basement, wouldn't be surprised if someone gets on. Did anyone call it? Nope. Two, the rear door goes slower than the front door. Here we go. Finally, got a video. That changed really fast for a Dover. That's weird. Number two. Yeah, both doesn't run that well. Oh yeah, someone called on probably the road floor. Alright, we're just gonna go to one out. It's probably open on one right now. 88 phone. I guess it's the phone number. There's an indicator or some kind of bulb in there. It's a basic max cap. This was installed in 1995 certificate. There's wood handrails. All the padding hooks are missing. This elevator probably kind of needs padding. Here, back at one. And that's all.